sijawahi pop champagne. I don't know.
Pop the champagne.
Mimi sijui. Wallahi. Sasa nimefungua wapi?
Shake. Ona, acha nimsaidie.
Slap it before you. Shake it. Shake it to the max.
So you shake.
Isiende chini yote.
You shake.
Weka jagi chini. Weka jagi chini. Tache.
Throwing 1,000 cans.
Inaweza enda yote
Pole pole.
Weka glass chini. Daudi. Tangiria na glass chini. Angalia. Daudi. Siende yote chini.
Wanataka kiende yote chini.
Pole
Ishakuwa. Okay brother Dagi. So you know it will pop out by itself.
Hapana.
Yeah, pole.
No. Tingisha. Shake well.
Okay.
Nyaboanze mtanionyesha maneno.
Nakataa bado.
Ulize kiasi.
Nataka ipige sauti.
Right?
Pima macho ya mtu. Eka glasi simwagike chini yote. Chacha hataki waste. Economy is bad. Sikiliza. Acha mwagike chini. Mwagike chini.
Wadingia. Ngihia? Ngendere mara.
Uko na yako?
Ng'ambe ni mbele.
Haraki mwingi.
Sasa tunataka tukate cake. Nani yule alikuwa anaimba kata keki sio ugali? Kata keki sio ugali. Happy birthday. Now you sing. Happy birthday dear David.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday dear David. Happy birthday dear David.
Happy birthday, dear David.
Happy birthday, David. Happy birthday, David. Happy birthday, dear David. Kata keki sio ugali. Kata keki sio ugali. Kata keki tule. Kata keki. Kata keki sio ugali. Kata keki sio ugali.
Usimeze hizo vitu.
Kata keki sio ugali. Kata keki. Kata keki. Kata keki sio ugali. Hii ni keki tengenezwa na goji. Bati YouTubers naomba mnichangie sana. Mnasikia?
Lakini ni nzuri.
Ni noma.
Meunda.
Imeiva.
Toothpick, itajiongelea sio? Wewe leta fork. Bruno wai leta fork. Na serviette. Sasa nataka on behalf of our parents, Mama
Claude.
Mama Regina, kwa niaba ya mzazi wetu naomba uje ukamlishe kijana wako. Rama, leta fork. Wacheni fork toke hapo. Fork. Huko. Amenda juu.
Una fork.
Auntie Jack.
So they are not prepared for the summer.
Aya. Bruno ako wapi? Kuja mnalishwa na mama.
Meze.
Wow.
Amina. Useboke.
Bruno kuja. Bruno bye. Asante iko hapa. Bruno. Aimulishe sasa mama naye atoke hapo. Baba kwa wapi? Wazazi wako wapi?
Wapelekewa huko.
Baba kuja.
Wapelekewa huko, wamechoka.
Wala babu atawapeleka wewe, tutafikia ndio kwanza. Mama mdogo.
Wapelekewa leo.
Sasa pelekea wazazi. Ana is taking to the grandparents.
Boke, say something, Bana. We are here also, we are Boke. Man, it's nice for nice time missing you, man. It has been a long time. Absolutely, man.
Hi,
yeah.
Hi, Claude Joseph people, Boke Africa here, and thank you so much for this time.
Absolutely, man.
Kitambo sana.
Kitambo, it has been a year.
More than
it's a decade.
But I'm glad today we've met again, and today's ceremony. It's a birthday party of David. We are happy, we are celebrating, we are thanking God. Yeah, you know, now this hello guys is not me.
I understand.
But I'm trying. I have a channel also that I'm doing.
Boke Vlogs Africa.
People do ask me why I'm not vlogging, blah blah blah. It's only that I have a lot of things that I'm working on.
Absolutely, I understand, man.
To get that hello guys, it's very hard, but we thank God.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so tell me.
Kudos for that, and congratulations for everything, man.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, man.
Congratulations.
Dorina? Long time, man. It has been a decade, man. How are you? You good?
I'm fine, yeah, long time.
Absolutely. How is everything?
Everything is good. Yeah, hi guys, welcome to Claude Joseph. How do you change the name?
Yeah, it's Claude Joseph, man. I don't change names.
Claude Joseph.
Yeah.
Claude Joseph channel, guys. Long time.
Long time.
This audience.
The time of Father Chicken and Mother Chicken. But now we are here again, you know? Yeah.
We are not Mother Chicken.
Yeah, for now we are here. Don't worry.
Hi guys, welcome to this channel. Long time. I miss you guys. Miss Claude Joseph, as we meet sometime. Yeah, I'm happy to be here again.
Yeah.
And I'm happy to be in this channel.
For sure.
Thank you so much. I'm happy to see you here. Here and there, we're running, but by God's grace we meet.
We're together, you know?
We are together.
Absolutely. Thank you, Dorina.
Check me out, Dorina _YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Check me out. I would really appreciate it. Keep supporting Claude Joseph.
For sure.
Road to success.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, say hello for me now.
Thank you, I will. Unasemaje mra? Taranyole keki. Kula keki kwanza.
Fred Muller, guys.
Fred Muller.
To Claude Joseph.
Yes.
Check me out, guys. To 1,000 subscribers.
Thank you, man. Thank you, Fred Muller. Also, we are here with Evelyn. Yes, how are you? Long time. First, you have to do what we call like apologize because you gave me a date. I waited for your call.
I'm sorry, I don't know that day. Yes, I will fix that day. I don't know what happened. I forgot. But I remember. No, I had someone. I don't know where we are going, but I'm sorry. I will explain to you.
Thank you.
Hi guys, sorry for that. Hi guys, my name is Evelyn Minagi. I'm also a content creator.
Yeah.
Kindly check me out on my channel.
Thank you. Yeah. I'll come say hello. Yeah.
This is my channel, guys.
Okay. There's a channel. You can definitely check it. Even Minaj, guys. Minage or Minaj. Maybe I might be Minage. Oh, sorry, I'm pronouncing it in a physics way. Yeah. Minage. But guys, this is her channel. Subscribe kindly. Thank you.
But I will come.
Thank you. How is the party taking you around here?
I'm really grateful
Yeah.
for this day. I've really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
I'm full, and right now it's cake time.
Absolutely, that's so much amazing. All right, man. Yeah, so guys, everyone is okay, everyone is nice, man, and the stuffs are really moving on okay, and things are quite cool. And also, I took our visitor today around here, and stuff, bro. Man, this is Nyabohanse. Welcome, bro. This is how we do it. Yeah, you see how many cameras are around here. Just familiarizing. Yeah, so wait and see how tough will be. Tata, nakuona tata. Uko poa lakini. Thank you tata. Yeah, we are here. Nguchanda harandure. Si tumetokea shambani huko. Tumetokea shambani kakuja hapa. Tutaongea tata. Tutaongea niko huko. Yeah. And this is how everybody is, and stuffs are moving on, and everybody. Daniel, so unakula hivi vingine bwana. Unakula kwa kamera hadi bro. That's how you see the cake, and these our stuffs are moving on, and things are really good. Yes. Hey, bro, you wanna give me the cake? Hey, let's how it's going on.
I'm so happy. I'm just turned 20 and I'm so grateful.
Mama ngine wanaona kama wanaona swali tamuligira mu hekta fadali.
I feel like a lot of people enjoying and I just feel happy like I was able to host people and enjoy for my day. But I have managed and it's such a grateful thing. So I really appreciate now. And guys, Robbie David here, check me out at my YouTube channel and Roading to Success, guys.
All right.
We are keep on pushing.
Mura, Davey, I show speed. Our Nyabohansa show speed, man.
Amin.
How are you, man?
I'm good.
You good?
I'm so
I see the wonderful job that you have done, and happy birthday. Very wonderful, man.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday. It actually looks like a wedding, man.
Yeah.
Look, the tents are here. You have done something, man. Look at Buddha Vitano. Introduce yourself and say something to our audience.
So guys, here it's Robbie David. This is my home.
Yeah.
And actually you've seen you are seeing a lot of people crowding here.
Yeah.
To make this a very special good day.
Yeah.
And I'm so happy.
Yeah.
I'm so grateful. Like people have showed up.
Yeah.
I never expected actually to turn out to be this, but it have just happened, and I'm so grateful.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
What I can say is we have now left the childhood. Now we come to the manhood. No, I can't say boyhood. Manhood.
It's manhood.
Yeah, welcome to the manhood.
I'm so grateful.
Yeah. No, it's coming out. Yeah, it's coming out, man. It's coming out. Yeah.
They've started growing in 2 weeks now. And you have already recognized them.
Absolutely. Congratulations for that, man, and for the good work. Let me see this guy here. Yeah, man, how are you? I'm good? You fine?
Yeah, I'm good.
Man, it's nice meeting you here again. You know, with us, we always meet in congregation like here, parties and everything. But I'll definitely visit you one day.
Once in a while. Yeah, actually, I have a site. Right now it is going on.
And also sorry for the drama sometimes, you know. I know what's going on.
What's going on in the village.
Yeah.
But we just have to keep pushing.
Yeah, absolutely.
We have to keep pushing.
Yeah, how is everything? How do you find it in Nyabohanse? How is things good?
Nyabohanse is also good actually, because you know challenges are everywhere.
Absolutely, yeah.
It is only that maybe where I come from, they are there, but they are not being recorded.
Absolutely,
so
yeah.
That is why me when I come here see drama, I'm not.
It's being recorded, and you're like, I have to do it, man.
Yeah. So me, I know that this is part of life.
For sure.
Yeah, but otherwise everything is okay. My PA is here.
Oh, your PA.
I'm here.
This is my son, man. This is my son. Yeah, that's good, man. He's a good guy. Yeah. Don't worry that because I don't have a lot of beard, but he's my son. He understands when I say he's my son. Yeah.
Actually, it is good actually to be around.
Yeah.
And again, it is good to be with fellow YouTubers in such occasions.
Absolutely, man.
Because sometimes people are always busy doing this and that.
Yeah.
So when you find time to be together like this, you just find like everything is okay.
Yeah.
People are enjoying together. People are sharing different ideas.
Yeah.
And positive vibes always is what you want.
Absolutely, man. Very, very great. Nashon, you're here, and let me introduce this guy first. And
them are city boys.
Yeah, they're village boys.
I introduced this guy.
Village boys transformed to be city boys. You know, if you take them to the city boys.
4 years, and he was 2 years when I was taking them to
Lagos City, not California.
All right, guys. Yeah. Sasuke here. Now we are so glad to be in the CJ's community.
Absolutely, man.
Really appreciate, bro. The guys were here to just showcase our brothers, to celebrate together with him.
Absolutely.
He just feel he has friends, brothers, he has family.
For sure.
Also, guys, you see us here, and this platform make us closer,
man.
That's when CJ has party, CJ has something, I have to show.
For sure, man.
So thank you so
Kijana
much.
mkongwe ndo mimi. Ukiona hapo mnaona Maro. Kijana mkongwe, yeah, man, for sure.
I knew you before even I knew YouTube.
Yeah, you knew me before you knew YouTube. For sure, man. Yeah.
As you say, you are the older.
The older.
Yeah,
about the elder.
When we see him,
for sure.
Exactly.
To be honest, sometimes there's some people when they come with the camera. I switch mine off.
Oh,
Yeah, it's a respect.
it's a respect for sure. I see.
I came this way and then I
You switch to yours.
Yeah, because there's some people you have to give them respect for sure. It's not by forcing, but
Yeah,
it's by humble way.
by humbling. Yeah, for sure,
So
man.
guys, this is Nation One.
Yeah.
I'm a content creator too in the village.
Yeah.
I've been knowing my brother here for a long time.
For sure.
So this is Nation One, guys. You can support me. We're here to support our brother.
Yeah.
You know, just coming is part of love.
For sure, man.
Yeah, and also we have come here, we have learned. This boy told us that the last time we saw these, what do we call these tents?
Distance, yeah.
The last it was his mother's burial.
Yeah, I understand.
Now he's celebrating his birthday on the same
Side where the mom, yeah.
Like he's now feeling happy. Like now he's not crying again.
Yeah,
It's
for
the cry
sure.
of joy.
Yeah, for joy, man.
so we are
And
here
also,
also-
me and the mom used to be a very good, like, this has been my home. Like, that house, I used to come here, they used to cook for me from there when David Bliss was very young, very young. Like,
19 years is very young.
very young, man. Yeah, it's almost like, how could I say? It's half my age. yeah. It's half my age. I'm old, man. I'm old. Chacha, come, bro. I'm telling these guys that Chacha is half my age, and they're like, no, David, please. It's almost half my age.
Where is that for?
You round off.
It's here.
You round off.
It's here.
You round off the nearest two.
Ask. Huh?
No, the guy is 42.
Man,
42.
it's half my age, bro. I look young, bro, but
Big man.
eating well, but avoiding stress,
Avoid
like,
women.
man.
Avoid too much.
Tell them, Chacha.
I don't tell you. Avoid. Don't eat sugar.
Don't eat
Work out.
You can eat sugar, but you work out. Yeah.
Avoid
Sex is
alcohol.
the best energy ever. So,
Do that so.
yeah, regular. Anyway, Chacha tells, we are at your home. I'm with these boys here. I'm telling them this is my son. They don't understand, man. Yeah. Also, this one, Sachi, I started seeing him long time ago. This we have with him around here.
I saw him playing band. Even he didn't know how to. Sasa Robbie David. Anafuata mara ya tano.
Mara ya tano.
Anakufuata mara ya tano. Huyu jamaa ako 42, mimi niko 42.
Tell them, Chacha, introduce yourself here, man.
Kizo is 46.
Where's Kizo? Kizo is somewhere there.
Kizo is 46.
My Kizo.
Kizo.
There's something here saying that you are. There's a problem here. A little bit.
But I'm telling them you are 46. They are denying.
They are denying.
My aunt.
I'm 42. He's 41.
47.
Yeah.
41.
They don't understand, bro.
Most of them, they are young.
Yeah. So.
Because they'll be telling me that, why did you shave your beard? I like to be clean.
You're clean. Tell them the secret of life. Cleanness.
Yeah, cleanliness and again lifts the skin.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, bro. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That's how life is, bro. You know? Bro, you're a content creator. Introduce yourself here, man.
This is my next
See you next time, man.
Thank you for the moment, my brother. For giving me an opportunity just to speak to your people.
Yeah.
It is my next town guys here. I'm also a content creator, and I'm just happy joining this multitude of people for just a piece of meat and drinks. We've really enjoyed and congratulations, Robbie David, for turning a year older. Meaning you become wiser.
Absolutely.
Yes, you become
It's
wiser.
good. Let me cut it. It's good to use Mondom to get it.
Yeah, it is that is his word.
This is what,
and
everybody has his own
opinion matters for everybody.
Yeah, for
we
sure.
are allowed.
Yeah.
So guys, please thank you for supporting my brother here to road to success.
For
Joseph.
Sure. Yeah.
Yes.
Claude Joseph, yeah.
Yes, Joseph, Claude, Claude Joseph.
For sure.
We met. This is the second time I'm appearing to his channel.
Yeah.
The first time we met at Chacha Tales, but we really didn't like have
Bond.
time to.
Yeah,
yes. And now life has brought another opportunity
For sure,
here
man.
in his channel.
Yeah.
Continue subscribing to his channel, guys, to road to success.
Yeah.
And also, when you pass there, don't forget to support me, guys.
For sure, man.
By the name My Next Time. I can just show you my.
Yeah, it's allowed. It's allowed.
Yes,
it's allowed.
yes. I'm also here trying to grow myself, guys.
Yeah.
Remember, the requirement for YouTube is 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
And at least 4,000 watch hours. Guys,
absolutely.
If you take me there, I really appreciate it. My name is My Next Town.
My Next Town.
One word.
Yeah.
No space in between.
My Next Town.
My Next Town.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm a traveler.
For sure, man. You're welcome, man.
Yes.
That's very good and great, man.
Thank you.
These guys have been meeting with them. Chacha, how are you? Nalikuja na mgeni hapo na mshughulikie hata mimi sijalamba. Muone mweke sehemu alama. Hey.
How are you?
How good, man?
I'm good too.
Yeah.
Even I was planning to.
When will you plan? You people, you plan. You ask me for number, I give you.
But I must make a phone call.
Okay.
So that we can meet.
Okay, man.
Yeah, so
no problem.
I want to meet your channel.
Yeah.
I go by the name of Kwemba.
Yeah.
I'm a upcoming content creator.
Yeah.
So people can support me by subscribing.
Yeah.
Already to 4,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
Also 4,000 watching hours. Yeah. I have monetized. I'm aiming for 4,000 watching hours, and also I have a playlist to come and watch people that can push me there. Thank you.
Haya, wewe nakuona.
So guys, thanks and also support my subscribe for almost 8,000 subscribers. Watch this video. I have a place. I have my channel. You can come and
Okay.
let me show them.
Yeah, and you, man?
Hello, amazing people. Go by the name Kidogo Kidogo.
Kidogo. It's not kidogo somewhere. Some days kidogo. Kidogo means small. Yeah.
YouTube channel.
Let me see. This is Okwemba.
Yeah.
Okay, Okwemba, man. Nice.
I have a YouTube channel, amazing vlogs. You can check me out at Kidogo.
Kidogo means small in Swahili, man. Kidogo will go on. Yeah. Haya, sawa fadhali. Haina shida.
Guys, this is Claude.
Yeah, Claude Joseph, I'm here.
Him since morning.
You've been waiting for me. I'm here now, man. Thank you, man. All right, brother. Yeah. So, bro, welcome here, man. Don't worry. This is how life is around here. This is how we live. See everybody? Yeah?
The support is massive.
The support is massive, man. Yeah.
I appreciate the
Yeah. For your first time being in Nyabohanse, how do you see this life?
I love the support.
Love the togetherness and everybody. How's everybody's around here?
Everyone does it like
Okay, man. Thank you, man. We are here with the show speed.
So guys, we are here. Put on those lights.
Kindly.
The first Not really sure.
Yeah. Hey, in the kitchen, Buddha.
The first one.
The first one.
Now you put on.
Nice.
Put off,
Yeah.
Put
Good.
off the meat.
Iko sawa tu, haina shida.
It's open. Yeah. So we are here.
Yeah.
Rocco, come. You're not serious. This is the time that you're.
Yeah, you are here.
So we are here, guys, and it has just been a great day. Everyone has enjoyed, especially me. I'd not expect like this. It will turn up
from the other side.
something crazy like this one. Absolutely, and I'm so happy, guys. It's something just beautiful. And you are the late comers.
No, I was here. You know very well.
You are here.
I went to bring the cake.
So I told them to leave some food for 15 people, and it seems like
There's still others coming.
Yeah, so that is the one that I was left, but I'm so happy like it turned up at long last.
Actually, this guy, let me tell you one thing. This guy did a celebration of a wedding.
A wedding celebration.
A wedding ceremony, man. People were here.
Maybe he was doing the marriage.
Married?
It's like I was about to, and the bride said that
you are too young.
I'm not sure like I will show up. So I said, do you think you will
make the needed birthday?
Stay away. And I decided now, let it be the birthday.
For sure, man. So we are here. Actually, you have done a very good job.
Yeah.
And, congratulations for that. And happy birthday for hitting 20. And there's still more. 1,000 candles to blow. Yeah. Actually, this guy, man, we come from he was very young. He used to bring in sweets.
For 10 shillings.
Yeah, man.
Yo! Let us just leave it from the camera.
Let us leave it.
That one is always for us behind the camera.
If you say 25, I'll be shocked. He's even younger than 20.
Ameongeza miwili.
I'm 20 for it.
Okay, you are 20.
2 years.
2 years.
2 plus 0.
Like never seen.
Yeah. And this we're here with the professor himself.
Professor Mahiri.
We are here. Nico Boda here. Yeah.
The Virginia boy.
The Virginia boy.
A boy from Summer.
Yeah. We are here, guys. To love David.
Yeah.
My friend, congratulations for adding the number.
Of the
But now you are a 2.
But age is number.
It is a number. What about your number?
But remember,
There is also a phone number.
A shoe number.
Not a shoe number. A ring size number.
Yeah.
So even your waist.
Yeah, man. So yeah, guys.
So it's not only a
getting
number.
here fully. As you can see now, this is a high table.
high table.
Yeah, this is a high table, and a lot of people are here from maybe noon. From noon now, but for me is a late comer, guys. I have some issue at the village. You know, today is a day which I get a time to visit my parents in the village.
Oh.
So I go there. That's why I come late here. And but coming to support my brother here for this day. Guys, remember to subscribe also to Just Claude YouTube channel and check me out Nico_Buddha.
Yeah.
We are eating, this is called the
Wali mchafu. Yeah. Dirty rice.
Asia is called the Pilau.
Pilau.
Africa we are called Wali mchafu. Virginia,
You know the difference between dirty rice and clean
So these are dirty rice, guys, and here
We have white lights.
Yeah. Clean rice.
Oh, the clean.
Clean rice.
Oh,
Clean rice.
This is clean.
That is
Green and
clean
dark.
rice.
That's why it's dirty, because he put a lot of madiko inside.
Decoration.
Yeah, spices.
Decoration.
Yeah. That so it's called decoration.
Decoration. Yeah.
Ni mbaya? Si mbaya ile.
You know this, when you eat a lot, stomach will full until tomorrow.
Until tomorrow.
Because you have a gas. Hii, mlukira sana. Tumbo itafura. This is like a Coca-Cola.
So also we are with Gaki. We don't have forests
Around, yeah. Gaki, introduce yourself, Gaki.
Yes guys, what's up? Welcome back to Claude Joseph YouTube channel. We are here. We are having some celebration. You know, when it's come to food, guys,
You don't joke.
Don't joke.
Yeah.
To spoil the name,
You build the body.
build the body.
Build the
Like
body.
never seen.
Yeah.
so family, if you're watching this for the first time and you haven't hit the subscription button, kindly please hit the subscription button and let us know what you think about the video. And maybe I can ask my brother when is another part. But another part.
We're waiting for your wedding. Your wedding. You're waiting for your wedding? So that we have another budget.
We have another batch.
Yes.
Okay, man. Alright, guys. I'm so much happy and congratulations for this. My phone is dying.
Auntie,
It is
thank
post
you actually. She has really been helpful.
They know very well. She's my neighbor. Yeah.
Actually give me some bisagia.
So umeona sasa ile baraka ndio hii imekuja. Unaiona huko? Haya kabisa, yeah.
Na bisagia.
Utulia. Uwezi elewa, anajua. Yeah.